How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best raw Excel settings for Valorant if you're using something like 600 DPI. Now, the setting that I'm going to recommend you is going to be best for a balanced hybrid. This setup is designed for players who want a consistent 600 DPI feel for aiming but struggle with fast flicks due to the limited mousepad space. So the first thing that you want to add it out is the sense multiplier. You can just leave this at 1. Basically, this will keep our DPI settings at 600. For the acceleration type, which is going to be the drop down menu, you want to select the classic option. Now for acceleration, you want to use 0.05. And then for the power, which is going to be this one, you want to select 2.1. Now with 2.1, this creates a steady, predictable curve. For the cap output, you want to use something like 1.25 to 1.5. Basically, with this one, this limits our maximum sensitivity so our flicks doesn't have become uncontrollable at high speed. And for the input offset, you want to use 10. Now, with 10, this ensures that the slow micro adjustments that we do on Valorant have zero acceleration. It only kicks in when we move our mouse faster. And so just click on the apply button and you will be able to see this smooth curve right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.